Alright. Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to Castaway TV. I'm back out here today on the Bay of Quinte, hoping to get some more big walleye. It took me about 2 hours to get set up. I got the truck unloaded by 6. It is now 3 to 8, and I just see my first fish of the day. Yeah, Koshul is supposed to join me here this afternoon, so we'll see. I lugged the diesel heater all the way out here, and the battery that I brought with me, I guess, doesn't work because I charged it all night and it says it doesn't have any power. So I got the propane heater as a backup, but I don't have much propane, so I'm gonna suck it up for a little bit, and I'll probably crank that on once Koshul gets here. But anyways, I will check back in with you when either Koshul logs in or we catch our first fish of the day.
Even though LiveScope may not be a sustainable piece of technology for the fishing industry and it might impact fish numbers in the future, it really increases the chances of the boys pounding up north, and that's really all that matters in life, is it not?
Hey, you, right on. Okay, you ready? Get ready, we're almost there.
Oh yeah, fish. Fish, he's coming hot. Yeah, bite. Yeah, fish on. Fish on. Oh, fish on. Yeah, fish on. Here we go. First fish of the day. Oh my god! Oh my god. Wow. Okay, there's another one down there. We're gonna try and get it with the old rattle bait here. Because this is one of the biggest perch I've ever caught. See if we can get him. Yeah, he's coming up. He's coming up. Yeah, right away. Charging. Charging. Come on. Come on. You want it. You want it. Come on. Yeah. Let him have it. Oh. Come on. Okay. Okay. Wow. Alright guys, I've been out here for a few hours now. I've seen some pretty big marks on the LiveScope, and I've had some fish come very close to biting, but I haven't had any fish commit until now. Look at the size of this perch, like the belly on this thing. Yeah, what a beauty. There was another one, I just missed it. If I would have been able to get the hook out, but unfortunately I hooked him pretty good, so he's gonna have to come home with me today, and I ended up missing his partner. But anyways, we're back down there. Hopefully we can get some more fish. Yo. You're alive!
Fuck you.
Fuck me!
Yeah. That was way farther than I was expecting.
Like a kilometer and a half in.
I don't know how much coffee.
Koshul made it, everyone.
I don't know how much coffee you got. Double espresso shot.
What? Trying to kill me? Alright guys, Koshul finally showed up this afternoon, and he came in clutch, brought the lawn chairs, he's got the donuts, he brought Timmy's coffee as well. But it's been an absolute hurricane out here.
That was Pop the Beaver. Oh, like that.
That's a lot of wind.
Yep. That scared the fuck out of me.
I knew it was coming.
I thought...
Us roughing it. Oh yeah, there's stuff giving out here, boys. We got stuff giving out. This puck is no longer doing fucking things, but we're leaving it. I've got the tent strapped down. I had to make some little pucks to hold it down on the ice, and it's like been up to 50-kilometer gust right now. I'm surprised that the tent is still here, but we're making it through the day. Hopefully we actually catch some fish instead of just sitting out here in a storm. But I've got high hopes. How do you? What? Do you have high hopes?
I got hopes.
Hopes and dreams, baby.
Oh, coming over from my side.
Yeah. Yes. Oh, big fish. Holy fuck. Just looking at it. Go up. Yeah. Keep going up. Yeah. Keep going. Stop. Chicken spot. This is a big fish. Oh yeah.
Play the game right, Jacob.
Yeah. Oh my god. He's on me. No!
It comes up though with it.
That was so close.
Both of us, he had to have touched.
200 would be a nice number. Oh shit.
What?
There's a fish on me right now. What the f was that? Dude, it just came out of nowhere.
From behind.
Oh shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. It might eat it. It might eat it. Yep. 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 Dude. Woo! Big fish. Big fish. Yeah. Oh yeah. Dude, grab my phone off my lap. Big fish. Yeah, this is sick.
I want to see this. I've never seen it.
Give it roll camera.
I know.
Oh man. Oh dude. Big fish.
What?
Yeah. Yeah.
Huh?
Camera.
How do you do it?
Oh shit.
Screw it?
Wait. Yo! Dude. We got a lot. Okay. Alright guys, it has been a long day out here on the ice. We've seen a ton of fish. We've gotten so close. And honestly, it was looking like we weren't going to catch any. But one came in here. It's probably around 5 pounds or so. 2 feet long maybe. But honestly, I wasn't even paying attention. I just dropped down the lure and immediately just came straight up off the bottom. Such a nice fish. I'm going to keep this one and have a little fish fry with my perch. But man, the thickness on all these fish out here in the Bay, Quinte, is remarkable. Yeah. Anyways, hopefully we can get another one. It's like 4:30 now. This is usually when walleye start to get active. So hopefully we can get at least one more. Alright guys, it is the next day. It took so much effort to get off the ice. The snow had packed down from the wind and it took so much effort to get the gear back. I'm so glad Koshul was there to help me take both sleds back, because otherwise it would have been an absolute chore. But anyways, I ended up filleting up the perch and the walleye. I cooked some up for breakfast this morning and I just made some fresh tacos. Super simple, just some cheese, some catch and cook batter, and then some like fresh salsa. Just onions, tomato, salt and pepper. That's all you need. Anyways, had a blast. Too bad I couldn't get Koshul on some fish, but hopefully I can again here soon. Just went out scouting at a new lake today, and I think I might go camp out there next weekend. But anyways, guys, thank you for watching, and until next time, just keep going, one day at a time. Not even 3.5. Perfect leader.